Levántate! Get up! We are going to church.
Mommy, I don't need church. I need rest.
Rest my ass. Niña malagradecida, gracias a Dios that you think you don't need church. All you have to do is worry about getting rest y ese puto teléfono. Do you know how little rest I got raising your well-rested ass?
Mommy.
What I would have given to have a little bit of peace at your age.
Oh my God, Mom, you're so dramatic. You always bring up the past, but you never want to talk about it.
Don't make me mad, Oasis. What you should be doing is getting up early and thanking God for your beautiful mommy.
Mom, I'm ready. Let's go. Mommy, hello. You were the one in a rush. Why are you taking your sweet time con el cafecito?
Mommy, I don't know what's happening with Lico.
Oh God, this again? Mommy, Papi isn't alive anymore. We're not in Guatemala.
Everyone in town sees him walking on the streets talking to himself. They think it's brujeria.
Again with the brujeria.
We've tried so many remedies, but the headaches and the episodes haven't gone away. I talked to Lico's mother, Mama Meches. I hope she can find a cure in her world with the brujas.
Wow. It looks like Grandma was a witch with useless magical powers. Is that why we don't talk about her?
Finally, la princesa shows up. ¿Y esa mirada qué? Why do you look at me like that?
You were talking with my abuelatina again. Hope at least this time you told her I said hi.
Niña malcriada. Don't mock me.
Mom, this is bullshit. I don't know what's happening with you and I can't ask questions.
We don't talk about these things. And I don't have time for stupid questions. Let's go. You have some shits to repent for.
Hi, sister. How was your day? How was Mom?
Why doesn't anyone ever tell me anything? You better start telling me the truth, you shady bitch. Or should I say, witch.
Well, hello to you too.
Mom was talking with Abuela again about Dad and his bruja mom. So let's have some real talk, sister.
You should be grateful that you don't actually have to deal with these people and that they're all dead. Except for Dad. Bless his soul.
Everyone around here always talks in code unless they're talking to dead people. Can you please tell me why the fuck we came to this country where I have to be grateful all the damn time?
Weren't you just at church? Jesus, calm down.
I'm sure Abuelatina would tell me the truth if she could hear me.
Only Mom can hear her, so quit bugging Mama Tina.
I don't know who I am or why I'm here. And anyone I can ask is either dead or crazy.
Enough with the telenovela crap. It's simple. You have a mother, you have a sister, and you have a father in heaven. There's a reason you don't know the rest. So stop asking questions.
Diosito, thank you for this day. Sorry for all the bad words. Hola, Señora Meches. I know I've never talked to you before. Le traje flowers. I hope you like them. I heard you were a bruja. You sound pretty cool. I was hoping that I could get answers from you. What happened to Poppy? Also, is there a way I can cure my mom? She's really struggling and I don't know what to do. Could I at least get a sign? I'm into any supernatural stuff. I'm ready. Come at me. Maybe mom's just crazy. Mommy? Mama Tina?
The doctors told me that Nico died of a heart attack.
It was brujeria, mija. The doctors don't understand this world. Lico wasn't meant to die, Celeste. You were. You have to leave this place.
Where am I supposed to go? How am I supposed to raise 2 girls on my own? Who would want me dead?
Your suegra, La Señora Meches, has always hated you, mija. She wanted you and the girls dead. And Lico loved you, so her curse killed her own son. What we practice is different than the dark brujeria she's placed on this family. You have to protect the girls from that darkness. You have to go.
Mommy, this is home. I can't leave.
Yes, you can. Te tienes que ir a los Estados Unidos. You will go and you will be fine. Your spirit is strong, mija. I'll go get Juliana ready.
Levántate. Lazy ass girl.
Good morning, Mom.
Y este milagro. She's awake.
Can you tell Mama Tina that I'm sorry for bugging her? I get it now.
What did you say, Nina?
Nothing. I'm sorry for being an asshole.
God did not give me an asshole. He gave me a beautiful daughter. Like me.
I'll be ready for church in 5.
Qué linda. Love you, mamita.
Love you too, Mommy.